The Princess Trust has been around for 41 years now, and from very humble beginnings has grown into the largest youth charity in the UK. And we have a vision for young people and a belief in young people, and it is simple, and it is this: that every young person is brimming with potential. And our job is to work with great partnerships such as WCVA, with Welsh Government, with businesses and great partners to back those people to succeed. And we operate a number of programmes that operate across the whole of Wales that give those young people and allow them to realise that they are full of potential and that they can succeed. We work on their soft skills, their communication skills, but crucially their self-confidence. And once they have that self-confidence, we know that they'll get on in life. And what happens is a magic happens. Because once you hit that sweet spot and that young person realises they can succeed, they're on their way, and it gives us enormous pleasure to do that. The Princess Trust Cymru is hugely grateful for the privilege of being nominated for this award. And I think what it brings to life for me is the evidence that we see every day through our young people. The example that was given on this nomination was of a young person who had no self-confidence, had come from a pretty disadvantaged background, was seeking a path for themselves. And through one of our programmes, we worked with an employer and we got them to realise their potential. We got them to realise that they could be a great employee. And that is that magic that I was referring to earlier on, when someone realises they're full of potential and they become an active role model to others. They become an active participant in the Welsh economy. They contribute to the Welsh future wellbeing agenda. And that's that magic. So one individual journey of transformation, you add that up by the thousands, and you have a real impact of young people making a real difference to Wales.